Quickly build engaging content in your course by editing HTML templates. This tutorial shows how to edit HTML templates using dynamic elements. This template package comes with several purpose-built topic types, such as course intro, module intro, meet your facilitator, basic page, video lecture, and conclusion. You also receive dynamic element pages, which include interactive elements such as accordions and tabs. For this example, we will create a course introduction. Click Upload Create and select Create a File. Enter a title. Note: applying the template to an existing page will overwrite the content and you will lose your work. Click Select a Document Template. Select the template you want to apply to the file. For this example, select 01_intro. Edit the template. Tip: when beginning to build your course, it is considered a best practice to create a hidden module that houses every content template, so you can use this as reference. For more information about working with HTML templates, reference the Daylight HTML Template 3.0 community article. Next, we will add an accordion to this page. Open another tab in Brightspace and navigate to your reference page, Accordions. Note: if you are copying an element, the HTML editor must be in edit mode in order to capture the underlying code. Click the context menu and select Edit HTML. Each dynamic element page includes text cues to help you capture the code you need. Copy your selection, then navigate to your course introduction page. Lastly, paste your copied dynamic element into the HTML editor. Now that your dynamic element has been pasted, you can begin editing by removing the prompts and updating the text within the element. When you are ready, click Save and Close. Your templated content displays. Quickly build engaging content in your course by editing HTML templates.